Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. Our client assigned a new task. This is the assignment of financial accounting. The title of assignment is Shelly Cashman Excel 2019. Module 3 SAM Critical Thinking Project 1C. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. This assignment is divided into multiple steps. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Step 1. Open the provided Excel file and rename it. Step 2. Update your name in cell B6. Step 3. Rename the sales sheet and adjust formatting. Step 4. Add today's date using the Now function. Step 5. Ensure consistent number formatting for monthly sales. Step 6. Insert sparklines to show sales trends. Step 7. Copy formulas for total sales and sales contribution. Step 8. Calculate commissions based on sales amount. Step 9. Change sparkline formatting for clarity. Step 10. Use goal. Seek to adjust placements for a target average.
Step 11. Format text and clean up unnecessary data. Step 12. Insert a clustered column chart to compare estimated sales for July and December. If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it, using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 309 655 268, or log in to our website helpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.